Think you're just fixing pipes? Let's talk about how referring clients to the right water restoration service can help take your plumbing game to heroic levels. Picture this, you're knee-deep in a customer's flood emergency. Water's everywhere and you've stopped the leak. Your job's done, right? Not quite. There's more on the line than just the pipes, and we're talking potential water damage, mold, the works. Your client's in distress and you've got a really important choice to make. Enter Clean USA, the water restoration experts. We're like the cavalry in an old western, but for water damage. And here's where you, the savvy plumber, can make all the difference. By referring Clean USA, you're not just passing on a name, you're extending your service, showing that you genuinely care beyond the wrench and the pipes. It's more than a referral, it's a winning strategy. Your customer is relieved not just because the flood stopped, but because they have a trusted specialist on the way to restore their home. And you're not just a plumber now, you're the hero who saved the day twice. Now let's talk Clean USA. We're not just some company. We're a neighbor here in the Chicagoland suburbs with a reputation as spotless as the homes that we restore. And stepping up with Clean USA means that you're recommending a team that's trusted, experienced, and ready to tackle the aftermath head on. Your colleagues may say, I'm a plumber, I fix leaks, not water damage. But ponder this, isn't it better to offer a complete solution? To be the plumber that not only stops the water, but helps restore the peace? That's a service that people talk about, they recommend, and most importantly, they're going to remember. You've got the skills, the tools, and now the ultimate referral. With Clean USA Water and Fire's expertise in handling floods and leaks, you enhance your reputation and you give peace of mind to your client. It's not just about fixing the problem, it's about providing the comprehensive care and protection that every homeowner deserves. So, what's your next move? Help your clients take back their space with the support of Clean USA. Connect with us, be the full circle solution, and let's win together. Drop a comment or message and reach out to me. I'm here to help. Let's get this partnership flowing.